everyone. Today we are going to discuss what is fashion communication. Apart from fashion design, क्या हमारे पास कोई और भी career option है? If you are having this thought in your mind, so we do have one more career option, which is required every time. That is fashion communication. So, firstly, let us understand what is communication. Communication is a two-way interaction by which we can share our feelings and thoughts to the front person. For example, you visit a boutique. There you have got different magazines displaying different dress designs. So, here the magazine becomes the medium of fashion communication. Fashion communication is a domain which itself involves the communication of fashion and lifestyle. Fashion is not only about the stitching of clothes, accessories, and jewelry and dresses. So, let us talk about the scope of fashion communication. In fashion communication industry, you can be a fashion photographer or a writer. You can be a visual merchandiser. You can be a journalist or a stylist, and so on. For more information, click the link below and contact on a given number.